Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe an important text message you received. You should say who sent the message, what was in the message, why the person sent the message, and explain why the message was important to you.
Sure, I can describe an important text message that I received. The message was sent by my mother and it read, "I am proud of you. Keep up the good work." She sent me this message after I had completed a big project at work and was feeling quite overwhelmed. The message was important to me because it served as a source of encouragement and motivation during a time when I really needed it. Knowing that my mother was proud of me and believed in me gave me the boost I needed to keep pushing forward and continue giving my best effort. Additionally, the message was important because it reminded me of the strong support system that I have in my family. Having someone who believes in me and encourages me to pursue my goals is incredibly valuable, and this message was a reminder of that. Furthermore, the message was important because it reinforced the idea that hard work and dedication pay off. Seeing my efforts recognized and appreciated by someone I respect and love was a reminder that my work was not in vain, and that it was all worth it in the end. Overall, this text message was important to me because it provided me with the support, motivation, and encouragement I needed to keep pushing forward during a difficult time. It served as a reminder of the value of hard work, the importance of having a support system, and the power of simple acts of kindness and appreciation. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.